So if your voice search on YouTube is not working, where I go to search, check, 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 hello, 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 hello. Give you a few things to check to see why it's not working. And on some TVs, this is a Google Chromecast, you have to hold the audio button, right? So if you're just pressing it once and letting it go, that could be why it's not working. Press and hold it to see if that works. In most cases, it's going to be your privacy settings. No matter what TV you have, let's go to the top, over to the settings, and then we'll go all settings here. And then on your TV, you're going to choose privacy, microphone, and then microphone access. So you can see that this is clicked on, but we also need to check app access to microphone. And then you can see that YouTube was in the not allowed list. So I'll click it and allow while using the app. We'll go back and you can now see that's moved to the allowed section. So when I go back to YouTube, let's see, it should 1, 2, check, check. Yeah, so you can see that it's now working. So that is a big one. And this TV is actually a Samsung TV, but honestly, the process is super similar. Go to your settings, find your all settings, go down to your privacy, and then check voice. Now, one thing you're also going to need to check is to make sure that your assistant is turned on. So this TV doesn't have the assistant turned on here. So we would actually go through the process of setting up the voice assistant so that it could then access everything. So those are the main things to check. Hope this helps. Bye.